Security Plus is the gold standard in cybersecurity. I've said it before and I'll say it again. But here's something I don't think enough people are talking about. There are professional certificates from Google, Microsoft, and IBM that are specifically designed to get you job ready in cybersecurity, and they cost a fraction of what Security Plus costs. They take less time, and some employers are starting to recognize them just as seriously. So the question isn't really should you get Security Plus anymore, it's which certificate should you get first and in which order. Now, I've been recruiting for over 15 years, and today I'm going to give you my honest breakdown of all 4 options so you can make the right call for where you are right now. Now, this video is sponsored by CompTIA, who offer all 4 of these certificates on their platform. Full transparency, but as always, I'm giving you my honest opinion. Section 1, why this decision matters. So before we compare anything, I want to explain why this actually matters. When you're trying to break into cybersecurity, time and money are your 2 biggest constraints. Most people don't have unlimited resources to spend on every certification under the sun, so you need to be strategic about where and what you invest in first. Now, the wrong choice doesn't just waste money, but it can waste months of study time. And in a job market where timing matters, those months can be the difference between landing a role and watching someone else get it. There are so many open cybersecurity opportunities right now globally. The demand is very much real, but employers are getting more specific about what they want to see. So let's look at each certificate, break them down, what it actually gives you, and who it's best suited for. Let's get to it. Oh, and if you're new here, my name's Luke. I'm a cybersecurity recruiter. I've been recruiting now for 15 years. And if you're not new, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching as always and your support. Let's get to the video. Section 2, CompTIA Security Plus. Okay, first up, the CompTIA Security Plus. Let's start with this because it's one of the ones that most people have heard of. Security Plus is a vendor-neutral certification from CompTIA. It's been around for years and it's genuinely the most widely recognized entry-level cybersecurity certification in the industry. When I look at job descriptions, Security Plus appears more than any other cert at the entry level, and that's just a fact. What it covers is broad. It really is a great fundamental certificate. You cover network security, threat management, cryptography, identity and access management, risk management, and security operations. It gives you a solid foundational understanding across all the major domains of cybersecurity. The exam is around 90 minutes, up to 90 questions, and it's a mix of multiple choice and performance-based questions where you actually have to demonstrate practical skills. Now, here's the reality check. Security Plus is an exam-based certification. That means you study, you pass the exam, and you get the cert. There's no built-in hands-on training or guided projects unless you pay for a separate course. The exam voucher alone costs around $400 USD. If you add a study course on top of that, you're looking somewhere between $500 to $800 total, depending on the provider. And the study time is typically 2 to 3 months if you're going at it consistently. Now, on CompTIA, you can actually prepare for Security Plus through their CompTIA Security Plus course, which gives you the structured learning path before you actually sit the exam. So you can use CompTIA as your study platform and then take the exam when you're ready. It's fantastic. So who is Security Plus best for? If you want the single most recognized certification that will appear on most job descriptions, this is it, full stop. It's the gold standard, and that hasn't changed. Next up, we've got the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. Now, this is Google's offering. The Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate is a professional certificate, not a traditional exam-based certification. And that's an important distinction because it's designed by Google and delivered through CompTIA. It's made up of 8 courses that take you from complete beginner through to job-ready skills. What it covers includes security foundations, network security, Linux and SQL for security, assets and threats, detection and response, and Python for cybersecurity automation. Now, it also includes hands-on labs and portfolio projects that you can actually show to employers. The big advantage here is that it's entirely self-paced. You can come out with tangible proof of work. You're not just passing a multiple choice exam, you're building projects, you're writing detection rules and working with real tools. Now, time commitment does depend. It's roughly 6 months at about 7 hours a week. But because it's self-paced, you really can go faster if you want to dedicate more time. I've seen people finishing in a lot less time. It just depends how much time you can give to your studies. Cost-wise, it's based on the CompTIA subscription. And with the 40% off deal I'll share at the end, it becomes very affordable compared to Security Plus. Now, another thing worth knowing, Google has an employer consortium that includes companies who recognize this certificate and actively consider graduates for entry-level roles. That's a real pipeline to employment that you don't get with a traditional cert. Who's it best for? Well, I would say if you're a complete beginner with no IT background, this is arguably the best starting point because it holds your hand through the fundamentals, gives you practical skills, and costs less than Security Plus. Next up, we've got the Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate. Now, This is also delivered through Coursera. It's designed to prepare you for a cybersecurity analyst role, specifically within Microsoft environments, which is relevant because a huge percentage of companies worldwide run on Microsoft infrastructure. What it covers includes cloud security with Azure, threat protection using Microsoft Defender and Sentinel, identity and access management, security operations, and compliance. It also prepares you for the SC 900 Microsoft Security Compliance and Identity Fundamentals exam, which is a recognized Microsoft certification. Now, this is a big deal because you're not just getting a professional certificate, you're actually preparing for an industry recognized Microsoft certification at the time. So it's kind of like two birds, one stone. The Microsoft tools focus is what sets this apart. So if you're specifically trying to work in an enterprise environment, there's a very strong chance you'll be using Microsoft Sentinel, Microsoft Defender, Azure Active Directory, and the broader Microsoft security stack. So getting familiar with those tools before you even start your first role can give you a big head start. Now, time commitment is similar to the Google certificate, roughly 6 months at a moderate pace, faster if you want to push it. Who's it best for? Well, if you're interested in cloud security, enterprise environments, or you want to work with Microsoft tools, this is probably the one to look at first. It's also great if you want a clear path to a Microsoft certification alongside the professional certificate. Okay, and lastly, you have the IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate. This is also on Coursera, and it takes a slightly different approach to the others. Now, it's built around real-world cybersecurity scenarios, and it focuses heavily on incident response, threat intelligence, and security operations. What it covers includes network security, database vulnerabilities, cybersecurity roles and processes, pen testing, incident response, and threat intelligence. It also includes a capstone project where you apply everything you've learned to a real-world breach scenario. Now, one of the things I particularly like about this certificate is that it leans more into the analytical side of cybersecurity. So if you're someone who likes investigating, problem solving, and piecing together what happened during a security incident, this one will definitely resonate with you. It also provides access to IBM's own security tools and resources, which gives you exposure to enterprise grade technology. Time commitment is roughly 4 to 6 months, once again, depending on your pace. Who's it best for? Well, if you've drawn to maybe the SOC analyst path, incident response, or threat intelligence, then this IBM certificate is a strong choice. It's more specialized than Google's offering, but that specialization can work in your favor if you know that's the direction you want to go. Okay, so moving on to head-to-head, my honest recommendation. So I want to give you my honest take as a recruiter. Security Plus is still the gold standard. Honestly, it hasn't changed. If you can only get one certification on your resume, then Security Plus carries the most weight across the broadest range of job descriptions, full stop. If you're a complete beginner with no background in IT whatsoever or cybersecurity, maybe consider start with one of the professional certificates first. Google if you want broad fundamentals, Microsoft if you want cloud and enterprise focus, and IBM if you want SOC and incident response focus. Get that foundation, build your practical skills and your portfolio, and then go after Security Plus. Now, why do I say this? Because when you sit down to study for Security Plus, everything will make so much more sense. You'll have context, you'll have hands-on experience, and you'll pass the exam faster and with a deeper understanding. Now, if you already have some IT experience in some way, or you've been studying cybersecurity for a while, then go straight for Security Plus and add a professional certificate alongside it to fill in the practical gap. The combination of Security Plus one of the professional certificates, it's genuinely powerful. You get the industry recognition from Security Plus and the hands-on proof of work from the professional certificates. That's a strong combination for any entry-level application. And here's the thing that makes this decision easier. All 4 of these are available on Coursera in one place. You can start with whichever one fits your situation. Finish it and then move on to the next one. You're not locked into any one path. So to wrap it up, there's no single right answer here. The best certificate depends on where you are right now, where you want to go. But if I had to give you a simple framework, it would be complete beginner, no IT background, consider Google, then Security Plus. If you're interested in cloud and enterprise security, possibly start with Microsoft, then get Security Plus. Interested in SOC work and incident response, start with IBM, then Security Plus. And if you already have some IT experience or cyber experience, go straight for Security Plus and add a professional certificate with the practical skills. Whichever path you choose, you can access them all on Coursera, and right now you can get 40% off your first 3 months if you use my link in the description below. The link supports this channel and it gets you a solid discount, so it's win-win. I'll also leave links to individual certificates in the description so you can go directly to one that fits you best. If you found this helpful, which I really hope you did, let me know in the comments which certificate you're going for. I read every single comment. I'm happy to point you in the right direction if needed. If you haven't already, hit subscribe. I put out videos every week helping you break into cybersecurity from a recruiter's perspective. Once again, thanks to Coursera for sponsoring this video. As always, keep leveling up your career. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.